The tree of whys. The foundation for a learner-active, technology-infused classroom are a series of authentic learning units, and at the core of each is a problem-based task, an authentic, open-ended problem that motivates students and challenges them to grapple with content and use it to apply it to solve a problem. That problem will make or break you, so it is worth spending the time to really design the best possible problem-based task you can. Here's one quick and easy tool for brainstorming out a possible problem-based task. Let's start with a 6th grade content area, teaching ancient civilizations of the Eastern Hemisphere, ancient Greece, ancient Rome, etc. The first thing you do is you draw 3 lines out from that, and you come up with 3 reasons as to why you would teach this. So you think about, why would I teach ancient civilizations of the Eastern Hemisphere? Why is it important to learn about them? Well, there was an interconnectedness among these civilizations, and that's important for us to study. These empires no longer exist, so we would lose any understanding of them if we didn't really study them. The whole Neolithic revolution brought about amazing technologies that changed the world. Now, if you have more than 3 that you can brainstorm right off the bat, go ahead. But force yourself to come up with at least 3 reasons why you would study the content for which you're writing your problem-based task. Then, pick one of these, any one that jumps out at you, and again, brainstorm at least 3 reasons why that's important. So let's take a look at the second idea here. These empires cease to exist. Why is that important for us to study? Well, we must honor their contributions to society. Now, as you can imagine, at this point, you could ask, why again, and take the tree to another level. You can go that route, or you can go back to these empires cease to exist and keep going. Why else is that important? Well, we have to consider the impact of failing civilizations on future civilizations. Okay, why else is it important to study the fact that these empires cease to exist? Well, we must consider if our country could cease to exist as a superpower. Now, at this point, you would continue on going back to the study of interconnectedness of civilizations, come up with 3 reasons why that's important. The Neolithic Revolution, come up with 3 reasons why that's important. Someplace along the line, as you're generating all of these reasons, and you're taking your tree to deeper and deeper levels of why, you are going to come upon a problem that you really like. In this case, let's play with this idea that our country could cease to exist as a superpower. Empires have risen and fallen over the ages. Some of the ancient empires of the Eastern Hemisphere were quite powerful and made significant contributions to society, improving the quality of life for mankind. Babylonia developed a government that was a blueprint for democracy today. Ancient Greece brought us the Olympics and geometry. Ancient Rome brought us roadways and irrigation systems. All of those civilizations, however, crumbled at some point. The United States is a world superpower, an equally impressive civilization to those of the early Eastern Hemisphere. Could our days be numbered as a society? So this problem could be the beginning of your problem-based task. You would then decide what product you would want the students to hand in for what audience. But at this point, our work is done. The tree of whys came through for us. Take a few minutes now and take your content that you're planning to write your problem-based task about. Get a piece of paper and brainstorm out the tree of whys. And just follow it. I know you'll want to shortcut at some point, but don't. Just keep moving through and coming up with 3 ideas, 3 ideas, 3 ideas, moving deeper. Good luck.